Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Royala and today I am going to give my presentation on topic dashboard on IPL matches 2008 and 2020. So source of dataset I have taken from Kaggle and the problem statements, the 12 problem statements I have created, and let's start with the problem statement 1. We will calculate the number of matches played by selected team 1 and selected team 2 at selected venue. Let's do the analysis of this problem statement. Here if I choose the Gujarat Lions as selected team 1 and Mumbai Indians at selected team 2 at selected venue like Buffalo Park, then it is showing me that matches played between selected team 1 and selected team 2 at selected venue is 0. So let's go to the second, third and fourth statement. How many matches each player won the title match of the match at selected venue? What is the count for the toss winner per team at selected venue? What is the count for the toss decision per criteria at selected venue? So let's do the analysis of these three statements. If I do the player of the match, how many times a player won the player of the match? Like if I select Newlands as venue, then it is showing me the dynamic charts that Rugby Singh won the one title of the match. And in analysis 3, here I will see that number of toss wins per team. If I select the Nehru Stadium, then it is showing me that Kochi Tusker Kerala has won 3 highest match. And in analysis 4, if there are particular toss decision and there are particular 2 criteria like field and bat, and if I choose selected venue like Buffalo Park, then it is showing me that 100% was chosen by bat and 0% chose field. So let's talk about the next 3 statements, 5, 6 and 7. What is the count for the winner per team at selected venue? What is the count for the result per criteria at selected venue? What is the count for the winner per team when toss decision equal to field at selected venue? Let's do the analysis of these 3 statements. Here number of match wins when toss decision equal to field per team. Here if I choose like Eden Garden, then and Kolkata Knight Riders has won 26 match highest. And in analysis 6, like if I choose Barbati Stadium, then it is showing the result of 3 criteria, 43%, 57%. And in analysis 5, number of wins per team, like if I choose like Buffalo Park, then it is showing that Mumbai Indians has won 1 match. And let's choose another statement like Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, then Sunrisers Hyderabad has won 30 matches. And let's talk about 8, 9 and 10. What is the count for the winner per team when toss decision equal to bat at selected venue? What is the count for the winner per team when result equal to runs at selected venue? What is the count for the winner per team when result equal to wickets at selected venue? Let's do the analysis of these 3 statements. Winner number of wins per team when toss decision equal to bat. If I choose like Barbati Stadium, then Deccan Charger has won 2 matches. And in analysis 3, number of wins per team when result equal to runs. If I choose like one Khade Stadium, then Mumbai Indians have won highest 22 matches. And in the next statements, number of wins per team when result equal to wickets. If I choose like Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association, then CSK has won 1 and other also 1, as you can see in the dynamic chart. So let's talk about the last 2 statements, 11 and 12. And here we do the analysis like number of wins per team when result equal to tie. If I choose like Holkar Cricket Stadium, then it is showing me the 0-1. And in analysis 12, number of wins per team when toss decision equal to field and toss winner equal to winner. If I choose like out Suryan Oval, then only Kings 11 Punjab has won the 1 match. And in the conclusion part, this dashboard tells us everything, because I have already shown you that using dashboard dynamic dashboard, and with the help of dynamic charts, I have explained everything, number of wins per team when toss winner equal to winner, and we can easily conclude that winner team and player of the match play an important role in the data set. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.